Hello and welcome to Global ChartWatch, the channel where we break down markets through the lens of price action, indicators, and real-world trading insight. Whether you're completely new to trading, or already analyzing charts daily, you're in the right place. This is the beginning of a journey. A journey into the world of forex, cryptocurrency, technical analysis, and smarter trading. In today's first video, we'll talk about what forex is, how it compares to cryptocurrencies, how to read TradingView charts, and what indicators like EMA, RSI, and MACD actually mean, and how you can use them to make more confident decisions. Let's start with the basics. What is forex? Forex, or foreign exchange, is the global marketplace where currencies are traded. It's the largest financial market in the world, with over $6 trillion traded daily. Unlike the stock market, the forex market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. It doesn't rely on a central exchange, it works through a global network of banks, brokers, and institutions. You trade currency pairs like euro to US dollar, pound sterling to Japanese yen, or US dollar to Japanese yen. When you buy euro to US dollar, you're buying euros, and selling US dollars. The goal? To profit from price fluctuations. Just like in crypto. So how does crypto compare? Well, crypto markets are decentralized, highly volatile, and open 24/7. They often respond more emotionally to news, hype, and community sentiment. Both markets rely heavily on technical analysis. And that's exactly what we'll focus on, here on Global ChartWatch. Now, if you've ever seen a chart with clean lines, indicators, and colorful candlesticks, you've probably already seen TradingView. TradingView is the go-to platform for traders. It allows you to chart almost anything, from crypto and forex, to stocks and commodities. And here on this channel, we'll use TradingView extensively to break down trends, analyze price action, and build trading strategies that make sense. You'll learn how to read candlestick patterns, support and resistance zones, trend lines, volume data, and most importantly, how to make decisions, not guesses. Now let's talk about indicators, your toolkit for smarter trading. First up, EMA, Exponential Moving Average. The EMA tracks the average price over time, but reacts faster than a simple moving average. Traders use EMA crossovers to spot trends and reversals. For example, if the 15 EMA crosses above the 50 EMA, it may signal a bullish trend. Next, RSI, the Relative Strength Index. It measures momentum, and tells you if an asset is overbought or oversold. RSI above 70? Possible overbought zone. RSI below 30? Possible oversold zone. Then we have MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence. This one is all about momentum and trend direction. It includes two lines. When they cross, they can indicate potential entry or exit signals. All of these indicators will be explained in real time, on real charts, with real examples. Now let's talk about what's coming up on this channel. Here's what you can expect from Global ChartWatch. White check mark emoji, weekly market analysis, for both crypto and forex. White check mark emoji, chart breakdowns using TradingView. White check mark emoji, strategy tutorials, like scalping, swing trading, and trend following. White check mark emoji, real talk about risk management, no hype, just principles. White check mark emoji, updates from my own crypto accounts, not theory, but actual trades. White check mark emoji, deep dives into indicators and tools, with honest, no fluff reviews. I believe in showing the how and the why, not just the results. You'll not only see what I do, I'll explain the logic behind every move. So, if you want to master charts, understand the markets, and trade with confidence, then subscribe now. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. And leave a comment, tell me what you're trading, or what you want to learn next, forex, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or a breakdown of your favorite strategy. This is just the beginning. Welcome to Global ChartWatch, let's decode the charts, together.